guys, welcome to today's video. I have a huge announcement that I have been dying to tell you guys. If you follow my Instagram, you probably already know, but if you don't forget to follow me because I have some stuff coming up. But by the time this video is live, I'm pretty sure it's already out. So I've come out with some presets. I have been working on these presets for about maybe like all summer. Literally, yeah, all summer honestly. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to install your presets and also some adjustments you can make if the preset is not working for your photo. So excited that my presets are finally out. You can get them right now. They're live right now. So hit the link in my bio and it'll take you to my Etsy shop, which will be there. Yeah, I have currently 3 packs that are live. I have the film pack, the everyday pack, and then the clean pack. In each pack there are 26 different presets. That's a lot of freaking presets. I can't believe I even made that many. All of them are really unique and different. I've been using all the 3 packs on my photos recently on Instagram. If you have noticed, I don't know, follow me on Instagram. Let's say that again. So let's talk about the packs real quick. So we have the film pack, which I created because I'm obsessed with this whole trend going on right now, like the film trend, the vintage look. So I don't have money to spend on a film camera. That's probably like $2,000+. So why not just make a freaking film preset? Because that's so much easier. Take an iPhone, put a film preset on it, boom. Who's gonna know? Nobody. Unless you tell them. But the film pack is literally my favorite. Some of the film presets actually look like a disposable camera, which is so cool. Created this whole pack on film for you guys. You can go check it out right now. The next pack is the clean pack. This one's one of my favorites as well. Actually, all of them are my favorites. I love all of them. This one also has 26 presets in this pack, and it's more of like a minimal look to your feed. It's really like white and clean, and it has a lot of like bright colors in it. So if you have a photo with like a bunch of colors in it, it'll literally like enhance it and pop. So it's really cool. I love this pack so much. There's literally like there's so many different presets in this pack to work with that it's crazy. Okay, and then the third pack is the everyday pack. This pack is literally for everyday pictures. So say you have just a quick little iPhone photo that you want to edit. There's so many different presets in that pack. There's some that are a lot bolder, and then there's some that are just a little simple, quick, minimal edit. You can also always change that around if you don't like how that is. It's always up to you. Presets are just a starting point. I've created them so you can change it around. So if it's not for your liking, always change the colors up, change the hue, change all of that. HSL will literally be your best friend when it comes to photo editing. Trust me on that. Everyday pack is literally for everyone on any picture, any skin tone, anything. Literally, I've made this so people that have like darker skin tones can like have it, because I don't know why, but like I hate how like presets nowadays only have like that orange teal kind of thing. Like I love that look, but sometimes it just doesn't work for me, or like for my friends as well. So I'm like, I am gonna make some presets that work for everybody, because that sometimes just like makes it so orange, or just like takes out the freaking color in my skin. So, you know, we gotta change that up. Don't like that a lot. Those are the 3 packs that I've created so far. I am so excited to like drop some more packs as well. If you have any suggestions on what kind of packs you want me to do, comment down below and I will do them. So now for pricing. I have seen influencers that like drop presets that are like $30 for like 2 presets, and I'm like, that is crazy. Like, why do people buy that? Like that, I don't have money like that just for 2 presets, $30. Like, that's crazy. I can't do that. I don't know about you, but I just can't do that. So my presets, I have 26 presets in each pack for $4.99. Literally getting a preset for 19 cents. Like, that's insane. Like, I've made it for so everyone can get these presets. I think when it comes to photo editing, everyone should be able to do it, especially since like camera equipment and all that stuff is just so expensive already, that presets shouldn't be like another hassle, you know what I mean? So the film pack, the everyday pack, and then the clean pack are $4.99, and each pack has 26 different presets. So quick little thing, if you are confused, which I think it's fine, like I think it's not that complicated, but if you are a little confused, be sure to DM me or message me on Etsy as well. On Etsy, when you purchase the pack, you'll get an email with your order confirmation and all that kind of stuff, and then if you scroll down, you'll get a link or like a little file, a download to download your pack. For each pack, depending, will be 2 to 3 different zip files that you will need to download so you can get all 26 presets. Split it up because of Etsy's little like storage thing for some reason, so it might be a little confusing, but they're all there. You should get it, and then with that you should also get a PDF file that I created on how to install your presets and make some adjustments. But I also wanted to create a video so it's like a visual thing you can see, because I'm kind of like a visual learner, so if you are too, this might be a lot easier to learn and understand. But so say once you purchase your presets, you download them, you're gonna, once you hit it, it'll take you to a page, and on there you're gonna hit more, and then hit more, and then it'll say like save to files. Hit save to files and save it on either on my iPhone or downloads or wherever you want to save it. You can create another folder if you want to, but I save mine on downloads. Okay, after that, go to your files app. I went on downloads, and then I have my film pack here. You'll have, so for every pack has 26 presets, so I titled it film 1, film 2, film 3, so on and so on, so it's easier for you guys. But then you're going to select it, and you're gonna hit the little box at the bottom, and you're gonna do save image. So you're gonna do that to all of them, and then once you go into your camera roll, it'll be like a blank image, and that's fine. I don't know why it actually does that, but it's fine. Your preset is there. Then go into Lightroom, open it up, and you're going to first insert, oh, hold up, let's let me load and stuff. Okay, so you're going to hit the image and then go from your camera roll, and then you'll see how it says DNG. That's how you know it's a preset. You're gonna select all of them, and from the film pack I have this photo, so then you're gonna hit the check mark at the top, select it, and the photo literally, like I just put the preset, I didn't adjust it for the photo, so that's like the preset without any adjustments at all to the photo, if that makes sense. So then you're going to hit the dots, the 3 dots on the top right hand corner, and hit create preset. And then, so for instance, this is the film pack, so I'm going to type in film 1, and then you're going to go to the preset group to hit that, and then you're going to create a new preset group, and it'll be like the film pack, oop, cannot spell, film pack, and then hit check and just save that. Then once you create your preset, I already have it, so I'm not going to save it, so let's use this picture here. Then I'm going to scroll all the way to the right, I'm going to hit presets, and I'm going to go to my film preset, and then I have all my film presets that I just saved. So like film 1 right here would be that, and then you would hit check, and you would go to like exposure or whatever if you want to, like, you know, fix it up, you know, change it up if it's too bright for you, if it's too dark, change it to your liking. That's why Lightroom presets are so versatile. You can change it to your liking, have it however you want. That's what I love about it. So yeah, that's basically what you're gonna do for all the presets. So I recommend, if you get more than one pack, to download one full pack first, put it all in Lightroom first, and then work with the other pack. Download all your DNG files onto your camera roll, and then import all those DNG files onto Lightroom, and then create your album, do all that, so then you can go back and have everything all sorted out so it doesn't confuse you later on, because it will confuse you. Trust me, when I've bought other people's presets, it confuses me so much because there's so many freaking packs, there's so many freaking names and all that kind of stuff. So it's really helpful to do one pack at a time. But if you are doing one pack, if you're only purchasing one pack, then this is completely not for you. But if you are, Trust me, do one pack at first and then download them, save them, make an album for them, and go on to the next pack. Okay, now that you've downloaded all your presets onto your phone, I'm going to teach you guys how to make some adjustments and some of my recommendations when it comes to editing a photo, when a preset is not really working for your photo. Okay, I'm going to use this photo here, and I'm going to use the clean pack for this. This photo might actually work for literally all the filters, so I might have to do another one. But okay, let's use clean 26. I love this one. This is one of my favorites in the clean pack. But say for some reason I don't like how it's so like dark in the freaking trees or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna take the contrast, hold up, and like bring it down so it's not as dark. Then we'll mess with the blacks. So if you move it all the way to the right, it'll become lighter. If you move it to the left, it'll become darker. So we're gonna move it to the right. So like here's the before, after. And one of my other tips is to mess with the effects tab. So the clarity, some of my pictures might have a little too much clarity on it, so you might if it's not your vibe, you can always turn that down a little bit, and then take your dehaze and bring it up so it balances out, so it's not so like, you know, exposed, if that makes sense. After that, say with color, say your skin is a little too orange or it's a little too, there's no color at all in your skin, I recommend going to the orange tab and working with the luminance and the saturation. Those two are literally going to be your best friends. The whole HSL curve is going to literally be your best friend when it comes to editing. Stick with that. And then for yellows, here's a little tip that I learned while actually making presets that I didn't even know. So when you go on the yellow HSL curve, if you bring the saturation literally all the way to -100, your whole photo will turn white. If you do, for saturation, if you do -100, and then for luminance, if you do +100, your whole photo will be like that white look, like that white clean look that some influencers do on their Instagram. So if you want that, definitely check that out. I have done that for some of my presets as well, so you don't have to like mess with that. But if there is a preset that you kind of want that kind of look, definitely do that. For blues, the aquas, don't really mess with them because they don't make that much of an effect, but the dark blue, definitely mess with that. So if the sky is a little too, you know, aqua and you don't like that, turn the hue down a little bit and then take the saturation and bring that down as well. But yeah, those are my main pointers when it comes to like the HSL curve, messing around with color and the exposure and contrast and shadows. Those are like the main pointers I would tell you to do. And the clarity and the dehaze. Those are the main pointers that will tell you to move and change around if the preset is not working for your photo. Because you have to remember, a preset is just a starting point. There's no way one preset can literally make every photo look like crazy cool. Like, you might have to make some changes. Every photo is unique to its lighting, to its color, to the background, all that kind of stuff. So you have to think about that as well. I am obsessed with my presets. I love them so much. I just took some pictures today, so I'm gonna go edit them with my preset. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you have any questions on my presets as well, please DM me, comment down below, or message me on Etsy as well. And I will leave all the links to my Etsy page, my Instagram, and my enhanced presets at Instagram also. So check them out, follow them, because I will do updates, giveaways, even new preset packs that might come out. So go check it out. Thank you so much for all the support. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And subscribe to this channel, of course. Don't forget to do that. That's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat.